Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Calculus limits can look scary, but this Riemann sum is just a definite integral in disguise. Let's break it down and solve it together. First, identify the structure of the sum where 3 over n acts as our width delta x. This means we are looking at an integral from 0 to 3 specifically. Next, notice the term 3k over n represents our variable x squared. So we are simply integrating the function x squared over the interval from 0 to 3 today. The antiderivative is x cubed over 3. Evaluating from 0 to 3 gives 27 divided by 3, which equals 9. Option C is correct. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given values and check steps to win.